Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a very nice vintage McCulloch chainsaw. It is a high performance racing chainsaw. It's a McCulloch 125 with a 101B highly modified motor put into it. Very popular in the 70s for cutting the large timber around here and working in the redwoods. These saws could run a 60-inch bar all day long. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features. You won't see features like this on other McCulloch 125s. This is one of the very rare ones. It does have the polished side cover and chrome cowling on the bottom. Has the CP air intake, which you won't see this on 125s, but the actual air intake is an extra airflow right here. You can see right here where the air intake goes in, giving this saw more air, which it needed. It also gets it from the bottom here, from right here. Got the automatic oiler and manual. This is works off the crankcase pressure here. This is a little pump in here. It's got a little disc in here that pumps oil, plus you have the manual override. Oil tank, oil reservoir. It's got the large custom built Hadstone dog. These are very popular for the 70s. Wrap handlebar. And for the barn chain, it's a 404 skip tooth, 32-inch barn chain. That's a chisel bit. And then you'll notice some features here you just don't see. I mean, you will never see these on a McCulloch 125. This is a polished aluminum dust shield. This was popular on the go-kart engines. And the reason they put these on was the large covers, the chips plugged up inside them. You can see the difference here. This is the original side cover. These are the modified side covers. And then they use this for the chip guard. And all it was just to keep the chips from hitting the operator. But it cleared real easily. The chips didn't plug up. And that was a common complaint with the original side cover and chips plugging up. It's got a brand new directional muffler. You loosen this screw here and you can change the deflection of that exhaust. And what they would do is change the deflection to turn it, and that would push the chips down, kept the chips away from the operator. There is no compression release on this one, so you've got to be very careful starting this. It will straighten out your fingers if you're not careful. Here's what the undercarriage looks like. There's that new muffler. And this saw runs very well. We'll go outside and make one cut with it, just so you can hear what it sounds like.